we make the login with the Google section here with Firebase, and we use the for the global state management Redux toolkits and routing purpose React router DOM. Let's go on the VS Code editor, and here let me just up this terminal little bit. And first of all, I want to go on the my folder YouTube clone. Let me just go here, cd YouTube clone. After that, here install React router DOM. Let me just give the DOM, and now this installation is started. It takes some time to install this. Yeah, now this one done. Now also install the Redux toolkit. For that, here go Redux, and here I will go, and below this Redux toolkits, and click on the get start, and here see we go on the quick start, and here you see some command. I want to install this in my PC. Just copy this all this code here, click here, and I will paste here and paste this. Now see here Redux toolkits and React Redux, both things I want to install in my PC. Now see this installation is completed. Now here I will first of all for now I will set up the Redux. For that, in the src folder I will create another folder which name will be the Redux, and inside the Redux I will create a index.js, and here I will give the import create, or first of all I want to give the configure store. I think I want to give the configure store. Let me just go on here and see configure store. Let me just copy this one. Instead of writing, just copy from here to here. I will paste here like that. And why error is showing? Yeah, now error is gone. After that, I want to create my user slice. Let me just create this user slice.js, and here I will uh, import create slice from Redux toolkits. After that, here I will go and const initial state. Okay, here I will give the initial state. First of all, I will give the user name of the user, and after that it's the email ID, and after that is the image, like image, and after we give the access token, yeah, like that, yeah, like that, and we add a subscription. All this we add later when the requirement is come. And now after that, here I will give the const export. First of all I want to write export const user slice, and after that I will give the create slice, and inside this I will pass a object. First of all I want to give the name user. After that I will pass initial state, after that reducer, and inside this I will give the handle login, and here I will give the state. Let me just give this state and action. Here I will pass this. Let me just console.log action, like that, and I will here export. First of all I want to export handle login from user slice.action, and I will here what I have here I want to write const, and after that here I will give the uh, export default user slice, like that. I was import here give the reducer, like that. By default I was imported this. Done. Now let's go on the again, and here some error, watch error, user slice, which error is coming? Nothing. Why it will be giving him the error, this red sign? Okay, here I was okay. Here I want to pass arrow function. Yeah, now it's okay. This error is gone. Now after that, index.js. Here I will first of all import user reducer from. I will give the user slice. Here I was given the see here I was exported this by default, and that's why I was give any name here. When I was imported by default, it will be this reducer user slice reducer will be exported here, and here I was give any name which you want to give, and after that here I will give the user, and here I will give the user reducer, and here I will use the R, and here also. Now see, this part is done. After that I want to add this store in my React tab. For that I want to go on the main.jsx, and here first of all I want to import provider. Let me just import provider from I want to import from React Redux. Why these are not coming? Let me just go website, and here see I want to import provider. Let me just import this, and here I will paste this, and also I want to import my this index.js file I was created this store. For that, and main.js, here I will go, and here I will give the import store by default here giving, okay, not giving suggestion. Here see, from the redux folder by default index.js file is by default import exported. Now here I want to wrap this component. For that, let me just remove the sticky mode, and here I will, for now I will give the like the we give provider, and here pass a props store, and why these are happening, store, and inside this store I want to give the store, and just give this, and let me just cut this app, and inside this I will paste this. Now let me just check my app is running. Yeah, my app is still running, and for checking purpose this redux is working or not, let me just go on the here in the header full header.jsx, and here I will give the const, let me just give the const user equal to use selector. For accessing a data redux, we use the use selector which provide the react redux for using this. Now after that here I will give the one callback function state equal to, I will give the callback function state dot user, like that. Let me just console dot log and user. Now let me just go on here, right click, go on the inspect section, and here you can see in the console section, let me open this console, okay, and here see all these are coming, and let me refresh first. Now see all this name and email image name, all this in this time is empty. Okay, now this redux part is done. Now I want to make the our some other condition. Here I want to give the some condition, here I want to give this access user dot access token, we want to use this. For that, here let me first of all add one sign in button, div class name, and here I will get sign in btn. After that, here I will give the sign in, like that. Yeah, sign in like that. Let me just check. Yeah, see, it will be look like this, and let me just copy this sign in, After that I will go on the header.css, and let me just come here. I will give this, let me design this. First of all, I will give the border, it will be the royal blue, and yeah, okay. Here I will give the 2 pixels solid and royal blue, and after that I will give the, let me just give the padding 10 pixel by default, and left right I will give the 20 pixel. Yeah, after that I will give the border radius is 40 pixel, 40 pixel I think more. On instead of here I will give the height will be 30 pixel, it will be more 20 pixel, and also giving the font size is 16 pixel, and this height is why more. And after that here I will give the border box sizing, border box. Now see, yeah, it will be now come here. I will give the 30, and let me just give the little bit more 40. Now 35 is better. Yeah, 35 is better. And here I was given the, let me just give the, remove this 0, and I want to make this content will be center. For that here I will give the, let me remove this part, and let me just check. Okay, after that here I will give the padding from the 0 pixel from top and bottom, and left right will be by default I will give the 5 pixel instead of 10, 20. In the mobile version, first of all we set up in the mobile version, after that in the desktop. Now in the mobile version it will be 10 pixel, yeah, 10 pixel perfect, and I will give the display flags, justify content center, alignment item center. Now let me just check, it will be coming in the center. And here I will give the font, where I was given the font size. Here I will give the 14 given, let me just 14, and after that I will give the font weight 550, yeah, like that here. And I will give the color also, this color will be royal blue, yeah, like that. And in the desktop version now, see, in the desktop version it will look like this. Little bit I want to big, for that let me just copy this same class name, and here I will come, and here I will give this little padding more. I will give the 0, and it will be 20 pixel. What are happening? Perfectly fine. I was missed something, let me just check. I was given the 10 pixel, and here it's max width. Okay, here it's not a minimum width. For that here I will create another media query, media media all, and minimum width will be approximately 900 pixel. And inside this let me just copy this, cut from here, and here I will paste this. Now see, it will be look like this in the big screen. And I will add some condition, when user will be login, then also this will be display. And this mouse cursor also I want to change this, and here I will give the cursor pointer. Now see, it will look like this. And after that here I will give the some condition, here I will make a curly bracket, and inside this I will give the user dot, let me just check from here, user, just me paste this here, user dot access token if available, then we want to display the all this one from here to here, from where here, this part, from here, and I want to wrap this. For that I use the fragment tag, and here I will paste this. Let me just format this, and here I will give this. And why this error is coming, little bit will be inside. Yeah, now this will be done, and this image icon will be in the top side. Let me just go here. Here I will add this top part, and yeah, okay. And below this, if this will be user access token is not available, then I want to display the this one. Let me just cut this sign in, and here I want to paste this, and just format this part. Yeah, and why these are happening, okay, here I was given this one, I want to give here. Yeah, like that. Yeah, this part. Now let me just check. Now here see, this sign in is display, and this search icon display only the mobile version, not here. For that let me just go here and check where I was given. Here I was added the desktop will be none. Okay, then here I will give the this will be the search icon. For here I will add one more, mobile. Just copy this and come here, and here this mobile version will be not be display none, and will be not gone. I want to give the little bit priority this, right? Yeah, mobile. Now see, it will be gone. And in the mobile version, let me just check this. You know, in the mobile version, this this search icon is display. Now this part is done. Now implement the, when I was click on this sign in, then login with Google is done. For that, let me just go on the firebase.google.com. In this website, this link will be provided in the description. You can go and check this. After that, here I was already logged in with my Gmail ID. Just click on the go to console. After that, here display the some message, welcome to firebase. Here I want to create project. Here I will give the project name will be YouTube clone, and after that continue. And this analytics section, I don't want to analytic anything, and create project. It takes approximately 2 to 3 seconds. Now our project is created, is done, and here see, giving the message is your new project is ready. Click on the continue. Now here see, your project name will be display here. Now here go on the this project overview, click on here project setting, and here see, first of all I want to open the our login with Google. For that where is, I want to go Where permission. Okay, this is my email ID, no problem. And I want to go, click on here, authentication, and after that click here, get started. And I want to make a login with Google. Let me just enable this. And here I want to give my email ID. After that, here save this. Now see, our Google service is enabled for login purpose. After that, again I will go on here, project setting, and this below this I want to create my app. For that, let me just click this icon, and here giving me the add firebase your web app. Here I will give the name will be the YouTube clone, and after that here underscore app, like that I was given. And hosting, maybe I will use this one or not. I will use the some other platform like a Vercel, and click on the register app. And this command I want to run, let me just copy this and go here. Here already I was in the YouTube clone. Here I will paste this and press enter. Now this installation is started. And why these are, yeah, now this installation is started. Take some time. See, this installation is completed, and here after that I will go this, all this I want to copy this, or I will also get this some other, let me just go here I will create uh, one file. Here I will create file, name will be the firebase.js, and inside this let me just copy all this here, and here I will paste this and little bit this down, and yeah, like that. And after that here click on the continue to console. Now see, you can also get all this value here also. This part is done, and you can, if you want to any all this configuration, you can access here. Now this part is done. Now let's go here and see, all these are important value for like we want to put all this value inside the env. For that, here I will create one file outside the this, in the YouTube clone folder. Inside this, here I will give the .env, and here let me just copy, where is uh, in the firebase I will copy all this value, just copy from here. After that I will go on the .env file, and here I will paste this. Here I will give the env name will be like that, react app underscore api underscore key. After the equal to, and let me just remove this part, and here second will be the react underscore app underscore, I will give the auth underscore domain equal to. After that I will remove this part, and here I will give the react underscore app underscore project underscore id. And after that here I will delete this one, and after second one I will give the react underscore app underscore storage underscore bucket yeah, like that, and I will delete this part. And after that, this one messaging sender, here I will give the react underscore app underscore messaging underscore sender underscore id. And let me just go here I will like that, and this is a app id. Here I will give the react underscore app underscore id, like that. And here I will give the equal to. Here I was not given equal to. Yeah, and here make sure that all this env name will be start with the react tab for the convention in the react. And here I will remove this comma. Um, yeah, now this will be done, and I want to use all this key in my this firebase. Here in the beat there is a one method for using this. Let me just show you. First of all, I will remove all this comment. Here I will also remove this part, and this firebase initial app. For let me just first of all console log this console.log. Here I will give the import dot meta dot. After that I will give the my this name, env file name. Where is env? Here I will give the first of all API key I want to use. For that I will just copy this, and after that here I will go and here I will paste this. Now after that I will go here. It will be not be printed because this file I was not used anywhere. For that let me just copy cut here, and I will go on the component in the header .jsx, the top section. Here let me print this, and here I will go my uh, application inspect, and in the here console. Now see here giving the okay, this will be printing undefined. Okay, I want to run my application again. For that let me just close this both the terminal, this one and this one. Again I will open the terminal, and here I will first of all I want to go my folder YouTube clone, and here I will give the npm run dev, press enter. And okay, here I was given the space. Let me remove this space. Yeah, and this application now still it will be giving the undefined. Let me just check why this will be giving. Here okay, here I was using the wheat for the this framework. I was using the wheat, that's why here I want to give the, instead of giving the here react underscore app, here I will give the, let me just select, press the control and control D. Here I will change this wheat, like this wheat and API key name, like that. And after that I will go in the header.js. Here I will change this meta dot import meta dot env dot env will be a small letter env dot, and after that this part will be done. And here I will give, let me just give the width. Now let me just go on here and refresh this page again. Now see this API key here printed. After that I want to add all this API key in my firebase.js file here for general purpose. Let me just here comment this, and after that here where is firebase.js, let me just copy from here this spot, copy, and firebase.js. Here I will give, let me just keep it control D. Control V. Only I want to change this all the last name, that's why I will directly paste here, and here, 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 and after that here I will give the here first one is okay, and second one I want to give wheat underscore domain. For that I want to copy also, no need of here I will double click, or I will select this, copy this here, and after that I will go on the firebase.js, and here I will paste this like that, and here I will remove this space, and again I will go, and this will be the project ID, just copy this, here I will go, and here I will paste this, and again next part, this storage bucket, just copy this here, and here I will go, where is storage bucket, here I will paste, and after that this, copy this, and firebase.js, here I will paste this, and after that here I will give the wheat app.id underscore id, and copy this, firebase.js. Oh, now here, now see, all this our firebase configuration is done, and now let's go on the make the login section. For that go on the header.js, and here I will click make the const one function, const handle login, handle login button, like this. Here I will give this uh, arrow function, and when I was click on the this sign in, then it will be login. For that I want to just copy this here, and where is sign in button, where I was given here, I will give the click on click, and here I will paste this. Here I will paste this on click method, and now let me refresh again. Yeah, now it will be working properly. And after that here I want to import, first of all let me just go on the some documentation I show you. Firebase login with sign in with pop-up, like that. Here document authentication using Google with JavaScript, like that. Just click this here, and here see giving the some documentation. I want to log in with the Firebase, like when I was click, then it will log in. For that here see giving me the some import. I want to just copy this part, and after that I will go here, and in the header I will paste this. See, get auth, sign in with pop-up, and Google auth provider. These things I want to import, and here I will come, and here I will give the, and also this firebase.js, this app also I want to import this one. For that let me just come here, here I will give the import app from I want to, let me just give this here app, why this will be not giving the, let me just come here, and okay, here I was not exported. Here I will add the keyword export, and here come again, and here I will give app firebase, and after that here I will go, and this function will be the asynchronous async, and here I will give the const auth, I will give the get auth, and inside get auth I will give this app name, and this will be the asynchronous. I will add wait. After that here I will give the const provider, and here I will give the new Google auth, like this. And after that I will give the const user data. Here I will give the sign in with pop-up, like this. Here I will give the, first of all I want to give auth and provider, and this will be the asynchronous. Here I want to add a wait. Yeah, now this will be done. And this here, this user data I want to just console.log user data, like that. Now let me just go on the here, and this my YouTube application. And when I just click on this sign in, let me just click this, and see this will be opening, and see, yeah. And here ask me the some username. Click somewhere, click again, and see here if this pop-up is coming, and I will select this email ID. And yeah, now see here giving me the some data, user all information like a user. When I just go access token auth, here display the name Amit Prajapati, email ID and phone number is not, this photo URL, like this. I want to destructure all this value, I want to put on the redux. For that, after that I want to all this value. For that, let me just come here and export this, import this function which I was created in the redux. Here user slice I was created this handle login, like this, and I was exported this. Let me just import in the here header.jsx. Here I will import what is the name, handle login from the user redux user slice. And after that I want to use this function. For that, here I will give the const dispatch equal to use dispatcher. It will be the coming from the react redux for using any function you have created in the redux. For that, and here I will give the dispatch, and inside this dispatch I will call my handle login, and inside this I will pass one object, and here I will give the email. For that I think I can directly where mm, or I can directly pass all this data here. I will extract from here also maybe, but here is also easy, that's why I was giving here. Which value I want to need it, let me just go here and just copy this value, and here I will header.jsx, here I will paste this. Only this much value I will extract it. For that, uh, I want to go on this here. This will be the data user data, and inside user I want to give the name will be display name. Here I will go user data, and inside user I will give the display name, like that. Yeah, display name. And after that email ID I will give the user data dot user, and here I will give the email. And for the access token I will image. Okay, here is a photo URL. Here I will give the user data dot user dot photo URL, like that. And after that here access token user data dot user dot access token, like this. Here access token, all this value is done. Now let me just again check, refresh this page and click on the sign in. Okay, now here Yeah, by default this login done, and see user.slice, which I was previously console. This one is printed here. Let me just open this, and inside the payload, see access token, email, and image this URL and name. All this value is coming, and when the access token is available, then here this sign is no need of a display. For setting this, I will come here, and here I will give the state dot name, here I will give the action dot payload dot name, and state dot email equal to action dot payload dot email, and after that state dot img action dot payload dot img, and state dot access token I want to give action dot payload dot access token. Like this, all this value is I was set in this here. All this value is set in this state. Now let me just go here and refresh this page, and when I just click on this, see, now this will log in, and see all this value is gone. Only display the this see this video and alert, and here I want to display the my images. For that I will go here, and this will be the little bit bottom side, and where I want to display my image, here I want to display my image. Let me remove this, and here I will give the here I was given user. Let me just come here, I will give the user dot img, and refresh this page, again login. Okay, it will be not showing. uh, why not showing? Let me just console log. Okay, this user I was already logging. Just go here, and here this is header, and I want to give the image. I was given the image user dot image. Yeah, let me double click here and copy this value, and copy this here, and I will paste here, and before that I will just remove these codes here and click OK. This will be the my profile image, and no problem, still not displaying. This copy this profile image, and here I was given somewhere. Let me just check. Okay, this is profile image. Okay, I was not given profile image dot image. Here I want to give curly bracket, width will be 100%, and let me just check again, it will be coming. Yeah, now see here giving the my profile image. Let me refresh again, and see it will be gone, and when I click on the sign in, this login is done. Login with a Google sign in pop up, and here see showing me the my profile image. Now this login with the Google part will be done here in this video, and in the next video we will do our this sidebar. And thank you for the watching this video. If this video any helpful for you, please like this, subscribe the channel, and thank you for the watching this video.